we're doing that penne with salsicce and with tomato sauce. So here in this skillet, I have my sausage cooking. You see how nicely it's browned? And I can take it out now. This is just Italian sausage that I cooked down in a little bit of water to get the fat out of, and then I added the onions. You want to cut the sausage up into chunks. And make sure that you buy good Italian sausage that is not real fatty and made with natural casings. So there's the sausage, and now we need to put it into a bowl. And now we need to get those onions, and they've been nicely caramelizing, and now we can take them off. And if you let onions cook very slowly and get them caramelized, they'll be a lot sweeter in flavor. So the onions now go in with the salsicce. This pasta gets something called fior di latte, or fresh mozzarella, and you can buy it either in a big piece like this, or you can buy what's called the little bocconcini, and it's a very, very delicate pasta, delicate cheese. It's wonderful in pizza recipes, but it's also wonderful in this. And I'm just going to cut it up, put it in with our sausage and the onions, and now we have to get the pasta because it's ready. And I'm just going to scoop it right out. And again, I'm going to leave a little bit of the water on that. Put the pasta right in. And you know, this one is going to actually cook in the oven. So we want to undercook the pasta just a little bit because we're going to be recooking it, baking this in a casserole in the oven. And again, remember, you are not rinsing the pasta. And then we need some fresh tomato sauce, which I just happen to have right here. And all this is fresh plum tomatoes, some basil, olive oil, and garlic. And now we're going to scoop some of this, most of it actually, right over our ingredients. And I'm going to save some to put on top. And all we want to do now is mix this up, mix it beautifully so it's all well mixed. You can see my fresh basil in this. And let me tell you something, nothing is better than a homemade tomato sauce. And as you mix this, the cheese will get very stringy and it'll just be wonderful. And then we need a casserole dish. So get out your best casserole dish because then you can just take this right to the table and in it goes. Just like that. And then you can add more of that tomato sauce right over the top. Your oven is on at 350 degrees. I'm going to take mine over, cover it, put it in the oven